Welcome to the video on using the graphical user interface to route a document for review. If there's a particular document that needs to be routed for a peer review process, client review process, or other internal review process, or even a procedure that needs to be routed to several users for acknowledgement if they've read it and intend to abide by it, then the graphical user interface function 4 can be used. Again, this takes you through a number of pop-up prompts, the first of which is to enter the document number, and the second of which is to identify the purpose of the review cycle or approval cycle that you're routing the document for. The final step of the process is to identify users that are authorized to receive this document. If the user you require is not in the drop-down list, then the administrator or an experienced user needs to use the advanced user interface to add additional reviewers to the particular project. We select the person to whom we wish to send the document for review to. We can add up to 10 people, and the document is sent to each of the reviewers in turn, each of whom must acknowledge that the review is complete before the next person in the list can get a document. If you wish to send a document in parallel to a number of users, then you need to set up each individual routing separately. Once we've added the number of users that we require, and we've set up the routing table, the process is complete, and the doc version tells you that notification has been sent to the current reviewer. An automatic email is sent to the first reviewer in the list, instructing them to review the document, telling them who has created the review cycle, and giving them an indication of what they've been asked to do. It also provides a link that can be used to get directly to the document and complete the review cycle. Once the routing is created, the routing log, which is accessible along the bottom tab of the doc version file, can be queried to see how many active review processes have been set up, and to determine at what point in the review cycle each document is. And that concludes the tutorial on routing a document for review.